PEMF for brain fog, clearing the mental haze naturally. Brain fog can feel like you're awake, but your mind is moving in slow motion. You forget simple things, struggle to find words, and your focus just won't lock in. It's frustrating, and it's more common than people think. Brain fog isn't a diagnosis on its own. It's usually a signal that something underneath is off, often things like poor sleep, chronic stress, inflammation, low circulation, nutrient gaps, or hormone shifts. Even constant screen overload can drain your brain's attention system. Before anything else, start with the basics: steady meals with real protein and healthy fats, consistent sleep timing, gentle movement to boost circulation, and short breaks away from screens. Breathwork or mindfulness can also help shift your nervous system out of fight or flight. Now, here's where PEMF comes in. Pulsed electromagnetic field therapy delivers gentle, low-frequency pulses that support the body's natural regulation. For brain fog, that can matter in a few ways: supporting microcirculation to help oxygen delivery, supporting mitochondrial energy production for mental stamina, helping calm stressed brainwave patterns, and supporting a healthier inflammatory balance. With regular use, many people notice clearer thinking and steadier focus over time. If brain fog has been holding you back, PEMF can be a simple, non-invasive tool to help lift the haze.